Hello guys, welcome to my 7th video tutorial on HTML5, and we will proceed with some more new tool features from CSS3. And in this video I want you guys to change. We had this code from the last video. Let's give class to all the paragraphs. We will use all the 4 paragraphs that we had before, and we can let's take this out and type 1, 2 here. Let's type 1 and here 1 as well. Let's save this. Now I'm going to show you a new selector, which is the asterisk here, like this, and or regular expression, sorry, and this will affect all the classes. Okay, and to give it a property, just type the curly braces and type color blue. What this does basically is will affect everything in the page. You'll see now that all the 4 paragraphs will have color blue. Okay, I forgot here the semicolon. Let's save this. Let me run this in Chrome. Okay, and as you can see, here it is. All the 4 paragraphs are in blue. Now I'm going to talk about the non-pseudo classes, which basically in the last video we studied the pseudo classes. Remember, it was like this: B, paragraph, and we had the nth, and child. Okay, remember all that. So those are pseudo classes, and the non-pseudo classes are basically how to exclude paragraphs or how to exclude classes or IDs. Now let me just type this first, so you'll see the example. It will be clearer for you to understand. So just type this colon, not parenthesis, and now let's type the class 1, and now the property that we want to give to all the not. What it means by this is all the classes that are not the 1 class. So all the classes that are not the 1 class will have color red. So basically the not classes are only this one here. Okay, the other 3 are the ones. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so basically number 2, as you will see, oops, sorry, number 2 will have the red class. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's just to exclude the classes that are not this one here. Okay, so whatever you choose here, you can read this as the not 1 classes will be color red. Okay, if we change this to 2, you'll see that all the ones will have color red. Okay, let's try this, and there it is. Okay, pretty simple. Now I'm going to talk also about some other things. Okay, let's talk about the greater than symbol, which is another selector that you can use. This one here. is, there it is. Okay, so this symbol, what it does is whenever you have a parent, let's say in this case, let's say the body, let's type here a new parent div id equals the big. Let's close it here, save it. Whenever we have a parent which is the ID, let's say what was it called, the big. Okay, this means parent big, and greater than symbol. Now after that we type the child. The child are basically the paragraphs. Okay, and what this does is, let me type this color green. What this will affect is all the paragraphs there are childs from the parent big, the ID big. Okay, basically all of these. And let's see if that works. And there it is. Okay, perfect. What we can do as well, for example, let's say we have here P. Let me copy this here and put it here. Okay, you'll see that this will not work. This will not apply to this. The green color will not apply to this one here. Okay, because this is not a child from the div big. Only these ones are. Okay, and as you can see, if I type here, there it is. Okay, not apply to this. So you can use this to this symbol here, greater than, to always select child nodes from parents. Okay, pretty not in simple examples you'll not get much of it, but when you have a large amount of parents and a large amount of sections with a lot of content, you'll see that it's very useful. Okay, this will be very useful to you. Now another rule that I'm going to show you, another selector, is the plus one. The plus selector, what it does is when you use the plus selector, affects always the first, in this case I'm going to use paragraphs, these paragraphs, affects the first line of paragraph, or the first paragraph, right next after the first one. Okay, but let me just do this for you, and let me put this, let us put this on all in one. The class, all the paragraphs will be class 1. Okay, let me take this one out of here. Perfect. Now in here I'm going to type paragraph which is class 1, and this is plus P for paragraph, and here I'm going to type let's say color red. Okay, so what I'm saying here is choose the paragraph with class 1, and the first paragraph right after the paragraph with class 1, the first one, put it in color red. Okay, I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but you'll see right away how it works. So in this case, the first paragraph right after paragraph or class 1 will be this one here. Okay, this is the first one, but I'm saying here right after the first one, so it should be the second one here. So let me just check here. So we see what happens is the next first one, or the next after the first one, is this one here, and this one too. Okay, I'm saying choose, what I'm saying here is choose all the paragraphs right after the first one. Okay, so it chooses this one here, sorry, this one, this one, this one. And remember that all this only applies when it's under the same parent, in this case the ID big. Okay, so this is how it works. It's pretty easy. It sounds confusing at the beginning, but it's pretty easy. You can try it yourself, and you'll get the idea pretty fast. So this is all for now, and if you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions on the comment section below. See you guys later, and happy coding.